She came home drunk. Stepson was recording. Husband was trying to keep the peace. By the time deputies showed up, somebody was going to jail. She just didn't know it was her yet.
Sheriff's office.
Why are you here? Where are you?
Hello, I'm right here.
Hi, I didn't call you. My husband did.
Oh no.
Get! You want to come in? You can. My dog,
Sure.
he might bite you. Please don't shoot him.
Well, would you mind stepping out and talking to me?
I don't really want to. I'm really annoyed right now. I'm really hurt
Okay.
right now.
What's going on?
It's just drunken, stupid shit, okay? I have the most perfect husband, the most perfect marriage you could imagine, right?
Okay. I understand.
I'm just annoyed as right now. My house looks like a wreck when it's... I'm annoyed as right now.
Okay. Is because your house is a wreck, that's why you're
No,
annoyed?
I'm annoyed. It's a long story. It's a long book. Are you ready to hear
Yeah, I
it?
got time.
Well, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. To
Okay.
be honest with you, I'm really fucking annoyed right now.
Okay.
I'm annoyed that you're here. Like, who called you? My husband or my stepson?
Okay, I'll get into all that here in a minute,
Because
okay?
it might... I already know who it was.
Who was it?
And it's funny because my stepson, who I've cared for 18 years, the whole time me and my husband have been together, he doesn't have a fucking mom. He gave him up 7 years ago.
Which
Okay.
one? Waylon?
Waylon, yes.
Okay.
Wait, that's the only one.
Okay. I don't know you. I'm just asking questions.
I'm sorry. I'm annoyed. I'm acting like my dog's about to murder you. He's not, but he did
That's-
bite the Amazon driver a few months ago. I don't want to deal with this right now.
Mm-hmm.
I was in bed. My house looks like shit because we're remodeling. There's a whole shit right here that I pushed the door off. Whatever. I'm drunk, okay? I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
But I don't want to go to jail. I've been there, done that situation.
Okay.
I want to go to bed, okay? Does my husband even know you're here?
Yeah, they know I'm here.
He called you?
Okay, so your husband's with your son, right? Or with Waylon, right?
With his son.
Mm-hmm.
My son's not here.
Okay. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. Okay, I'm not
I want to
leaving.
go to fucking bed.
No, we're not going nowhere until we do that.
I want to go to bed. I got this. I got this on my. I can feel it on my hip.
You ain't really telling me what happened. What happened?
Can't fucking tell you honestly.
You
I
can't
got
tell
too many
me.
cats.
No, hell, I like animals. It's all right.
I got a lot of cats. All I know.
You know, I know there's a history of, disturbances over here and stuff.
Yeah, with my stepson.
Mm-hmm.
Not with me and him. Oh, kinda, but not like this. Not like me being a drunken idiot like I am right now. You know what I mean?
Sure. I just know there's some kind of something.
There's more to him than this. This
Okay.
is me right now. This is
Why
not
don't
him.
you tell me what happened tonight?
We went out, me and my husband, he was here. We went out to dinner
Okay.
at Buffalo Wild Wings. He works out of town 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. He leaves tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
We went out to eat. Great time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we go to, what's that stupid fucking place called?
She told the deputy everything: the brewery, the tavern, the drive home. What she didn't know was her stepson had 8 minutes of video, and the deputy had already seen it.
The brewery, right there off Highway 5. Yeah, the stupid bar, been there many times, whatever. Go there for a little bit, then we go to tavern for a while. Everything's fine and dandy, like everybody's having fun, playing pool, whatever.
Sure.
Drinking. And then, I can't, to be honest with you, I don't know what happened. It's not a...
So you showed me like your hip and stuff. I see your elbow right there. What's
because
that from?
I think I love my stepson, I really do. I'm the only one that fucking cares for him, but there's things that make me mad, right?
Okay.
So when we got home, I don't know, I guess I tried to go back there to get his phone, which is like my phone.
Uh-huh.
Technically, his mom don't do nothing for him.
Okay.
I let his mom take over my certain things.
Uh-huh.
It made me mad because he's so gullible and so feeds into this shit, right? Anyways, long story short, I don't know. To be honest, 150 fucking % honest with you, all I remember is going back there and trying to get his phone and getting mad that my husband, like, just shoved me to the ground, shoved me in the hallway. I'm sure I was out of line in what I was saying or whatever, but
Okay.
that's all I remember. That's why this came from, and this on my hip.
You mind if I look at it?
You can come in. It looks a hot mess.
That's
I
okay.
knocked the door off.
I'm
It's
gonna
the
just
pantry door.
shut this so it's letting all the good air out.
I'll show you Waylon's room. I do think I knocked something off his fucking dresser.
Okay.
Stop! The gray one's a little iffy.
It's okay. Is there
Go. Can I put him in the
Yeah, please. That'd be awesome. What was the deal? Why do you think he did that?
Probably because I was trying to Waylon, like, I was saying to Waylon, give me my phone now, because he's on my mom's phone plan.
Yeah.
And I get in this mood, like, he's so, even though I've taken care of him for 8 years, right? Stuck up his mom, his real mom.
Okay.
I guess that was, I don't know.
Well, so kind of how this works, right? There's people down there talking to them, and I'm talking to you.
Are they here?
They're somewhere else.
Do I look like fucking, I've been in trouble, okay, way back in the day. My husband's never been in trouble. But whoever calls you, Waylon or his mom or Evan, they're going to regret it tomorrow, okay?
Why's that?
Because he knows that I am not just no freaking crazy person, drunken, whatever, that is going on right now.
Okay. I think,
Waylon has this whole video. Okay, does he have the video of him shoving me, pushing the shit out of me down the
I don't
hallway?
know. That's all why we're here to figure this stuff out, right?
I would never even, because my husband is the most perfect man in the world, I would never even hold that against him if he did. I freaking deserved what I got to me tonight.
Hello, I'm Deputy Escamilla with Pulaski County Sheriff's Office.
Hey.
What happened?
Oh, we went out. We came from, we're at the tavern, and so time to get everybody home. So took mother-in-law, father-in-law, and the neighbor home. And of course my wife was with me. And pulling out of their driveway, her and her dad, I guess she didn't say bye. He didn't hear or something, so he got mad, said some words to her as he was walking off. She got upset. She's like, what did I do wrong? I said, you didn't tell him bye. And she's like, no, I didn't. You didn't let him talk to me like that. And she's belligerent. So I said, look, let's just go home. There's nothing even worth talking about at this point. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Let's go home and go sleep. Wouldn't let it go. So just on and on and on all the way home. We get home, and my son is in the truck. He's stepson to her. We're a blended family. So, oldest daughter, she's at a friend over in Haskell right now. My other son, he's at my in-laws down here on daughter off of Sparks, so 5 minutes from here. Anyways, she says, if he's up, if he's not in bed, if I see him, I'm going to go off on him and do all this. I'm like, no, you're not. You're going to go to bed. He's in bed. Let's go to sleep. Let everything blow over tomorrow, whatever. Wasn't having it, so she goes back there. Her and my ex have butted heads many, many times over the years. Me and Chris have been together for about 8.5 years now. And she opens the door, starts waking him up, grabs his phone. I grab the phone out of her hand. I said, stop, because I figured she's probably going to try to call his mom and start a bunch of drama. We were going to talk.
Her husband begged the deputy not to arrest her. Didn't matter. Video evidence at a domestic call means someone's going to jail. Tonight, that someone was her.
Chris, I need you to do me a favor and stand up. Go ahead and stand up.
Where's he at?
Yeah, come on.
No, why?
Stand
No,
up.
can I call my mom?
Chris,
please?
stand up.
Can I call my mom or my
No.
daughter?
Drop the phone.
What? Is he here?
No, he's not.
Will you please? Do you not see my bruises on
I
me?
do. Me taking you to jail has nothing to do with me not being nice to you.
Yes, it does. They're stupid. He's fucking stupid.
I haven't hurt you. I haven't called you any names. I haven't been disrespectful.
I didn't mean
to you.
ow like you did something, but there is. My hip is busted and my elbow is busted.
I'm sorry. You're shitting me.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna run. You can let me go. I don't think I make it very far.
I don't know.
Is your battery done?
Yeah, I think it's okay now.
I saw on the video though, like just the other day, you sitting there, and I can put my. I wouldn't do that.
I'd appreciate it if you didn't.
I mean, even if I did, I wouldn't go nowhere. Oh, what is my charge?
Assault family household.
You know who's gonna love this? Assault family household. Is that like first, second, third degree? It's gonna be third, right? Because it was just my hands, and I'm not very strong.
Whichever one it is, it's the lowest one.
That'd be third degree. Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me just a second, okay?
And before I started, she slapped me like five out of my dome. Like trying to open me.
Get a hold of yourself and go
Look
on.
what the fuck he's doing right now.
You're doing it to yourself.
Are you joking?
Go away. Stop. Go get a hold of yourself.
Look what the fuck
Go.
he's recording. Look
Go.
what he's doing.
Go.
Look, no. I'm
Go.
not until I get that fucking phone.
You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything.
Do you not realize what your own son
You're
is
not
doing
doing
to
anything.
you right now?
He's not doing anything to me. I'm
Yes,
not doing
he
anything
is.
wrong.
Get that
You're the
fucking
only one
phone
doing
now.
anything here.
Evan,
Go.
get that phone now.
Go on. You're not coming back
Evan,
here.
you're joking me.
No, I'm not.
You don't see what he just did behind your fucking back?
And I'm not doing anything wrong.
I am, though. And you
Exactly.
do that?
Go
Okay.
away.
No.
Stop.
That is my mom's phone.
Stop. Go.
My mom pays for that phone. No,
Go.
stop.
Go. Stop.
No, stop. Get the fucking phone.
I'll text you in just a second, buddy. I'm trying to get this recorded on the.
Right now. Look at it right now.
Then
You
go away.
would fucking do this to me.
Go away.
You would do this right now. You would do that.
Absolutely.
You would do that.
Yes.
Are you
Go.
joking me?
Get away from me.
Are you fucking joking
Get away from
right
me.
now? Are you
Get away
joking
from
me
me.
right now? You would do that.
Everything you have put me through, get away from me. Get away from me. I do not want to look at you.
Look at
Get away.
that! Look what he's doing! And you would fucking do that right now to me!
Get away from me.
Whatever!
After everything that you have done to me,
What?
get away
Name
from
one
me.
thing.
This right here, what you're doing, you've
This
done it
ain't
countless times.
You would do
Get away
that?
from me.
Get that fucking... That is in my
Get away.
mom's name. Then when you put it in your mom or dad's name, then you can do that.
I can do whatever I want right now. Go.
Then call 911, Layla. Call 911.
Go. Get away from me.
Does she follow spy on you or leave you threatening messages?
Other than drunk talk, and then the next day she comes to kind of things. I don't even pay attention to it. So
Is there anything else that worries you about your safety? Like that?
no, not so.
All right, Evan. So what this is called a Laura's card. It's for victims of domestic violence.
Okay.
Men and women can be victims of domestic violence. Her actions tonight, irregardless of how we feel about it later, are unacceptable in a household setting. She's doing all this in front of your kids. It's not in way, even drunk or not, we should probably have a little bit of conscience to know we don't need to be doing these things.
Yeah.
Like I've explained, our hands are tied in these matters. When law enforcement comes out domestic incidents, we have clear-cut proof like this. We're bound by law to make arrests. That's not up to us. Now, that being said, she goes to court on this. Y'all work things out in the future. You talk to the prosecutor and you don't want to have it dropped. By all means, that's your decision. I'm not urging you to. I'm not telling you to. It's just something you can think about.
Okay.
That being said, this shouldn't happen in the household, irregardless if she's drunk or not. Everybody should hold a little bit of that consciousness to know and not treat the ones they love
She said he's the most perfect man in the world. He said he didn't want her arrested. The stepson had it all on video. She spent the night in jail over an argument that started because her father-in-law didn't hear her say goodbye. Drop a comment. Should she have been arrested?